Look at that beautiful beam footage right there. If she ain't running smooth after this, I don't know what to tell you. It's that premium lube right here. Y'all seen the way it came out? Y'all see the way it going in. Alrighty guys, we are back with another video for our Subaru, and in today's video we're actually going to be changing our oil with the Motul 8100 X Clean EFE, and this is I think it's SAE SW30. So we got a little small daddy, and then of course we have our hopefully not damaged now oil filter, but we got our oil filter straight from the Subaru genuine parts oil filter. We also have the Fumoto, and this is a engine oil drain valve, so we can make oil changes a little bit quicker. And then we got the big Motul for the bulk of the oil that we're gonna need. So we need, I think, 5 gallons, or 5 quarts is what it called for. And here we got a little O-ring in here, not sure what that is for. And then that is it in the package. I waited to get this stuff from Subi Mods. It took actually like a week and a half to come in. I had to pay a little extra because it's oil. But yeah, I had to make sure I get exactly what I needed. Let me show you guys how many miles we put on her, because I haven't done the oil change since I had the car, and I think it's been 2200. Yeah, 2175 is how many miles I got on her since I've had it. So we got to make sure. One hand, we got to make sure we actually reset that and start counting from today. I've watched a couple oil change videos, and oil changes ain't really nothing hard to do. So I'm gonna be showing you guys today, and like I said, I've already looked at a couple, so no need to reiterate. So let's go ahead and get it jacked up, and then let's find that oil pan bolt. All right, so we about to jack up the car. I've always seen everybody jack up their vehicle from the front, so I'm trying to jack mine up from the front. All right, that should be enough. I don't know if you guys ever looked under a WRX, but I gotta remove basically all of this plastic under shielding under the car, get to the bolt, and then we can finally crack it. I'm gonna work on that, get the shield off first, then I'm gonna take off our filter. We gotten the actual skid from the front here, and it took me a little minute because this is the first time I've actually taken this off of the car, but I'm still not where I need to be. I gotta remove this bigger plate, and then I think I'll be able to get to what I'm looking for. So let's go ahead and get that plate off real quick. Wait, my oil bolt is right here. Is that my oil bolt? I think so. It looks like it's been opened a couple times. The actual pan I was gonna take out. So this is the pan I was gonna take out, and there's the oil pan right there. I don't know why it got like Look like some oil dripping, but I haven't had any oil dripping at all. But it looks like it's having like a little gasket issue. So hopefully the gasket that came in the kit is gonna keep that looking nice. Alrighty guys, I'm trying to record this with my left hand, so might not be too good, but we got her cracked and it's draining. And if you gotta have a sure indication that I cracked it, here we go. That freaking drain plug was not even tight. It wasn't tight at all. Like, I didn't even put the wrench on it all the way, and it freaking like twisted. So I hand took off the rest. So let me clean my hand and then let's do the filter. It's actually not tight, so I should be able to just get my hands on it and twist it. Let's see. Twisting. There we go. It's twisting good now. Look at there. So whoever blessed me by not having this thing own 1 million, I love it. And there we go. There's our, I wouldn't say OEM because it's AC Delco, but that's the one that was on here before. And now that we cracked that a little bit, I actually heard it. Yeah, it's draining down here a little bit more. So yeah, it's actually not too bad. This is my first time doing it in the WRX. So any other time I've been able to do a car oil change in like 20 minutes, but that's on something that I've used to doing. So in this case scenario, it's the first time. So we learning a lot, but next time, literally probably gonna take like 15, 20 minutes to get this knocked out. All right, so I wanted to show you guys this before I got it all ready to go, but that's the crush washer. And this came into 2 pieces. This is the piece that goes into the car and it goes through this piece. I was kind of confused, but it goes through this piece and it like pushes in and sits in there like that. And then this crush washer actually goes around the back like this. But I think I'm gonna turn it around and put it in there like this so to sit flatter on the oil pan. And I think that's how it's supposed to go. You put it in there and then you get this to your desired orientation, and then you can go ahead and tighten it down. It's been draining for around 5 to 6 minutes. I haven't heard or seen any more drips at the bottom. So I think we might be good to go ahead and install this bad baby, and then we can go ahead and get our filter back on, and then we can start refilling her with some oil. This is what my drain plug looked like. It didn't have no magnetic nothing on it, so I'm hoping we're good to go and everything's good. So I forgot to show you guys that. Yeah, that's what it's looking like in here now. So now the oil just drains out that way to the passenger side. You just come down here, you hit this little latch, and it got this little thing that holds it that I haven't put on there yet, but it holds it in place, and then it allows you to drain it. Once it's done, take it off, closes up. 15-minute oil. All right, so now I already got my filter back on. I put a little bit of oil in there. Now I'm finna just pour this little Motul in there. Look at that beautiful beam footage right there. If she ain't running smooth after this, I don't know what to tell you. It's that premium lube right here. Y'all seen the way it came out? Y'all see the way it going in. I used that last lube. Now he's gonna get it right. And I really like these little things right here. Like, this is probably why this was expensive, was because of the presentation and how you actually put it in there. Like, I can reuse this if I wanted. All right, so we're going in with our big baby, and supposedly she takes 5.4 quarts of oil. I put one in, so I'll be putting like most of this in and keeping a little bit. And when I mean a little bit, I got 6 quarts, so 0.6 of a quart. And let me make sure, before we get too far, we have no oil leaks before I put all my oil in here and it end up being on the ground. Whoa, too much. Alrighty, so we got everything all cleaned up. That's our old oil. Got all our tools back, our trash cleaned up, everything buttoned up. Went ahead and got our new filter on. Went ahead and refilled our oil. I didn't check the engine oil thing, but I'm sure the dipstick is fine. There it is. You can see it's right up there. That's what we put in. So we'd be able to just reach under there and just be able to just open it up next time. And then we really ain't got to jack up the car. I just got to reach under there, open it up, and then from there we'd be a-okay to just let it drain without jacks, without jack stands. This is gonna make it a lot easier to do oil changes. So that's gonna be it. Oil change. All right, so we got the car on. Let's make sure everything's good. Ugh, I can feel that oil going through there. Make sure, check for leaks while we're on the ground, and we got it started. Looking good so far. Only thing, we gonna wait until our oil temp gets up to temperature, and that's it. So that's gonna be it for this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, make sure you hit that like button. We'll have more videos like this. Next, we might do trans fluid and diff fluid. It's a lot more fluids in the car. So as of right now, oil was the thing I need to do first at 2,200 miles, and then I'll be doing it again at 3,000. But this is it. Hope you guys did enjoy me actually putting new 5W30 Motul EXE, or EXE, EFE, clean X, you know what I mean. Anyways, that's it. I'll see you guys on the next one.